Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can change your background image when you're on Google Meets. So if you're new to the channel and you find this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And also consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks, step-by-step tutorials and how-tos for everything tech and digital related. So what we need to do is open up our internet browser, and we're just going to come across to Google Meets, so meets.google.com, and what we need to do is just click the new meeting tab. I'm just going to start an instant meeting sheet. Meeting. And once that's loaded through, what you need to do is in the bottom right hand corner down here, you need to click the three dots which says more options, and just go ahead and click the change background option up here, and you'll see it's going to come up with a list of options which you can use, and all you have to do is simply click on any of them to change your background. You might also have noticed this plus button, which is what you can do is use that to actually, if you've got an image which you've downloaded or something on your laptop or computer you'd like to use as a background, just give that a click and you just simply click the image you want to upload, and that's going to upload it as the background. So I hope you found that helpful. If this did help, please drop a like, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you would like to help contribute to the growth of the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link below in the video description where you can buy the team a nice cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.